Hello to all friends. In this course, we are going to learn A to Z of Sass with different examples. In the first two lessons, we will learn all the prerequisites of Sass, how to install, and what is the story behind that. After that, we will learn about the data types. And in lesson 4 and 5, we'll learn how to write cascaded styles. In lesson 7 to 10, we'll learn what to do if our project grows too large and how to use @import, @use, and @forward commands to make our project modular. In lessons 11 to 13, we'll learn how to use conditional structures and how to scan loops. In lesson 14, we will learn about 7-1 structure. We use this standard method to make a clean, neat, and optimized code. In lessons 15 to 17, we will learn about a cool feature in Sass called mixins. In lesson 18, we'll learn how to use other operators in Sass. And in lesson 19, we'll learn how to use functions. In lesson 20, we'll learn how to use inheritance in codes. For this, we will use a new command called @extend.